Onka's a one job.
Chisom in work. Nmiri Eweilo.
It doesn't office here because
Could be open is Chisom. Ancestral spirit.
Don't worry,
If from Halia.
When I put here, now Jpac, for such a line going to there we are in life. The man on one, you call. They did battalion down. But I believe will not be able to that. Would evidently
Walk in this Chisom. Hey.
Okay,
so biggest.
Biggest.
I don't care who can see. I don't go in this Chisom.
China. Yes.
Your big you my jabba. My sister.
Emana woge bonwani when I say academic ni aso yi ni mana jealous abatawa no. So about no oga na lo ni ya. Yes o. Onya bu na obu.
Ora na omu na mmegu. Kiyo.
Onya ndi na ga ji anya na akpa nkata. Obura anu wata de echi na agbawo na social media.
Ezigbo okwu ka okwu n'isi. Mmiri onwere ọkala akwụ mmụọ na-apụ apụ. Juju.
So hi guys, yesterday we had Nmiri Eweilo at Cubana Kitchen and Lounge. We welcomed him at Cubana Kitchen and Lounge, and this is a video of me and him. If you have not watched the video, you can scroll down my page and go and watch the video. One thing I have to say about Nmiri Eweilo is that he's very accommodating and patient, like mad patient. Video, snap or picture. At the time, I'm going to get tired and walk away. But Nmiri Eweilo is not like that. He's very, very accommodating. Like, he knows everybody. He greets everybody. He recognizes everybody. He's so friendly and he's accommodating. Batawa, olom the free. Batawa, olom the free. Nmiri Eweilo is very accommodating. That is one thing I noticed about him yesterday. And we were all happy to welcome him at Cubana Kitchen and Lounge. Nmiri Eweilo, bam. Kampuzie maka ihunu na-ekwu na comment section of this particular video. So yesterday I posted this video. And a lot of you came with all these comments. Oh, Chisom, go and buy bra. Oh, Chisom, go and wear bra. Oh, Chisom, is there no bra in China? Oh, Chisom, gazoro bra. Braless girl, go and wear bra. These are all your comments. Bia? Oh, Jam, where do you hear go and go and wear bra? Can him mereki? Can he ne boge onobi? He ne regi we or when a girl look on Nigeria and I am the only girl in Nigeria and I can water when a nepulune kelino. Nepulum na nokata ne keli. Or he ne wegi we. Bia madam, nasimu go and wear bra, go and wear bra, go and wear bra. Can you hear me wiggy? Or when I'm pamu bushima, or when I'm pamu or my mother very, very well to give back to me. Amutonya de kamara water. Can you hear na chokamga zoro kopo bra yiri? Just to fake it, ne? And when big bra, just to not show the nipple to people, or just to not show the standing to people. Bia madam. Madam Ipuako, why are you advertising bra for me? I have once been walked out of a class because I am not wearing bra. And I don't care. And I left. You understand me? Una who to boom one yana quarter merige jim where the audacity then my comment section na some Chisom gam wear bra. They know they sell bra for China. Araya bagin. In are you moving mad or something? Ngi kwesiri dey proud of me. Ngi kwesiri for Guinness World Record. Ka ha bia nye mo award for the most standing in the whole of Nigeria. When they take Nepoliana ekeli, Nepoliana quarter. It's not my fault that my like that. I want my fault na anam quarter. You understand? Can he ne uruma anyofo? Can he ne mere advertise a bra for? The last time I can remember, I've not worn bra for 20 years of my life. I've not worn bra for 20 years. Can he not say much Chisom gang wear bra? Chisom gang wear bra. Ever since you started watching me on this Facebook, I don't gangi bra before. I've been on this Facebook for 6 years. Have you ever seen me one bra? I know they wear bra. I know me bra. And if you feel like I will not enter here because I am not wearing bra, that my honor is exposed, I walk away. I don't give a I will never discomfort Anama to please anybody. Maybe I will couple yiri go give them nobi. Ngampamu keshima na make keshima to be free and be walking without apahana. I don't give a you have been looking for a reason to talk to me. Yawe wegi Chisomane yi bra. Hapo maka yiri wenu nde nwere bra yiri we nwa na yi bra. I've not worn bra for 20 years. 20 years of my life. I am more than 20. So for the last 20 years of my life that I can remember, I've not worn bra. So what will make you feel like in here put a comment section give me magazura bra 10,000 or 8,000? Or they possible? Or what I don't take drugs. You understand me? I don't may be one kanka lifestyle on wine be. Can you get me zanam jada? I know my uncle. I know my boy here. I know my saying horses. So which other lifestyle get manam jada? I met to be my for. So can he now force anama? Go bani me bra. Anama bragging no lose alignment. Anama quarter nipulia shike on a bagina only the help. Any the many help on this Bobby. Yeah, Bobby, Nanamo, Nenemo. I my family, the my mamo, Nepoliaka, the kechi. You understand? On my lineage. Hapromana motaho. Emesicula advertise a branch, make a poroboko. Apasukulami way. As we vest me. No, Wegi, Hapanam call no wrong way. Anamane lose catcham. Aname lose by alignment. Aka will make young fine girl. And I have water when I take mepo. Yawe Wegi. If no mugo de one, agabana bra. You understand? Because mlana mam ne lana masi yes. Onya wo mam bam. If I give them advertise a bra, I don't have low self-esteem. And when low self-esteem, engage where you gasoro bra because I feel like Nirakwa and I'm gonna show you Nirakwa and I'm gonna show. I don't have low self-esteem. I'm very, very confident. And when movie be able to show, and when show, but then when a man quarter, and when a man quarter, I want to check about I'm on other places, but yeah, God give him Bobby.